This spirited ham sits at his messy workbench. And wants to make a video about burning a bootloader onto an ATmega 328. But this activity requires 2 free hands, and without the right camera tripod, that is difficult. He has tried resting his smartphone camera on his mag light, but video image quality is important. A small voice whispers in this spirited ham's ear, "Why don't you just buy a tabletop stand?" Then you could take food selfies like everybody else. Is it the cost? Or is it just that this spirited ham has always preferred to make before buy? Because this spirited ham was born into a family of makers, practical people, and into houses with workshops full of offcuts and scraps, he knows he has what he needs to come up with a solution. With the stand in place, the bootloader burning video can now be made. What's been learned from this? That there's a little bit of joy in conceiving something and then making it. That good enough beats perfect. That simple is best.